Hello, this is a problem from Openstax physics textbook, chapter number 2, problem number 77. So here, the problem says that a plus b is equal to c. A is a vector, b is a vector. So two vectors you are adding, a and b, a plus b is giving another vector c. Then c square is equal to, this is c square is the magnitude of c. So magnitude of c, square of it should be equal to square of the magnitude of a plus square of the magnitude of b plus 2 multiplied by magnitude of a, magnitude of b, cosine phi, where phi is the angle between vector a and b. So first it is stated that a plus b is c, right? So where a is the magnitude of vector a and b is magnitude of vector b and c is magnitude of vector c, and phi is the angle between a and b. Now let's take the square of the magnitude of c, or if you take c dot c, actually if you take c dot c, it should give you, they are parallel, right? So c dot c should give you c square, that is c into cosine theta, that is c into cosine theta, where theta is the angle between the vector c and c. The angle between vector c and c should be 0. So cos 0 is 1. So c into c is actually c square. So what you get in this here, c dot c is actually c square, which is not a vector. It is the magnitude of c squared. Okay. So what is c actually? C is vector a plus b, right? Vector a plus vector b. So substituting for c here, here and here, we get a plus b dot a plus b. Now let's multiply. Okay, just multiply. Then what you will get is a dot a dot a dot b dot a, and b dot b. So this is what you get. Look here, what is a dot a? A dot a is basically same like here, a into cosine theta. Theta is the angle between a and a. So if you apply that, a dot a should be equal to a square, because it is a into cosine theta, right? So this a dot a should be equal to a into cosine theta, where theta is equal to 0, because vector a and vector a are parallel actually, or the angle between the same vectors is 0. So cos 0 is basically 1. So you get a square. Okay. So a square. So this is actually dot product of same vector. Gives you square of the magnitude. Now what is b dot b? Again, b dot b is equal to b into cosine theta, where b is the magnitude of vector b is magnitude of the second vector b, and theta is the angle between b and b. The angle between b and b is 0. So what you get is cos 0. Cos 0 is basically 1. So you get b square, right? So same like a dot a, you get b dot b is b square. Now what is a dot b and b dot a? Okay, actually a dot b should be equal to b dot a, right? It is, the property says that a dot b is equal to b dot a. So this is a commutative property, so a dot b should be equal to b dot a. There is no difference. So here, what is a dot b actually? A dot b is a b cosine phi. Phi is the angle between a and b. So you have ab cosine phi here, AB cosine phi here, so it will be 2AB cosine phi. So in the end what you get is A square plus B square, adding these two, sorry, this is not B square, this is B square, and adding these two you get 2AB cosine phi. Okay, so that is what we need to prove. Now chapter 2, problem number 74. Here vector A and B have identical magnitudes of 5 units. So there are two vectors A and B. Magnitude of A is 5, magnitude of B is 5. Find the angle between them if A plus B is equal to 5 root 2 j. So it's a vector pointing in the j direction. So magnitude A is equal to B is equal to 5 unit. Okay. Resultant vector A plus B is equal to 5 root j. So what is the magnitude of this vector? Magnitude of this vector is 5 root 2, right? So when you multiply this j there, it becomes the vector. Otherwise, if this quantity, if you represent, this is the magnitude of A plus B. Now, you know A plus B is equal to C. In the last problem, if A plus B is equal to C, what is C square? Or A plus B the square, A plus B the whole square. Then it is C square, right? C square is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos phi. We can use this identity or equation to prove or find the angle, because here the angle phi represents the angle, the phi represents the angle between A and B. So what is A plus B the whole square? That is this C square, right? A plus B the whole square is equal to this one, A square plus B square plus 2AB cos phi. We know A, we know B. A and B we know, right? So what is A square? 5 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 5 cos phi. What is on the left side? What is A plus B? We already know what is the magnitude. A plus B is 5 root 2. So that is squared here. So solving this, basically 50 is equal to 25 plus 25 plus 50 cos phi, which gives you 0 equal to 50 cos phi. So that means cosine phi is equal to 0 or phi is equal to 90 degrees. So the angle between A and B is 90 degrees.